Hi, my name is Klavs, I'm inspector. I'm inspecting this Volvo for you, V90. It's 2017 plate. Let's go through the bodywork. Overall bodywork is good for the age and mileage. It has some hairline scratches in obviously in several panels here. Bumper has some marks, all in line with so the age and mileage. The bodywork, so don't have any particular concerns regards to bodywork. However, both headlights has excessive moisture inside. Talking about lights, so these fog light units and side light units has water ingress as well. It's been there for a while. The mold starts to develop on edges. Regards to resprays, this quarter panel, this door has been done to the industry standard. I don't have any particular concerns regards to those repairs because structure sound is free from any significant accidents. Interior has fair wear and tear marks. And now let's get to the suspension. Tires are good, brakes are good. Both lower arm ball joints, excessive play and needs replacing. However, they are reasonably easy to do. To the electric issues, they are engine management system issues. The fault's been cleared just before inspection. Regards to these non-start concerns we had, there is intermittent loud ticking noises, sounds like from injector area, but there is I forgot how the system called. There's a weird system on it, pure whatever. That fault code is related to whether that pump or the temperature sensor, so it needs further investigation. So that could be, that ticking noise could be its engine off, it's ticking, that could be draining a battery. As I said, the interior has fair wear and tear marks. Any drivability issues, I will add it in a report. All these issues have to be rectified before collection. Once those are rectified, then there's no reason to reject the vehicle. Thanks for using us.